Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna see how to install and use AnyDesk remote desktop software. This software is basically used to. This is used as a remote tool, which you can use to connect between two devices for remote access. It's very useful for IT professionals, IT support, and other users as well, where they cannot access a computer physically, where you can always use this software, which is free for personal use, but and it's a tiny software, and it doesn't require much of your bandwidth or space in your computer. So yeah, we're gonna see how it works now. So first you go to anydesk.com website, and you'd have a free account for personal use. Of course, this is for personal use. If you want to go for your business, you need to go for a business account for commercial purpose. So we're gonna do it for demo purpose. We're gonna take the free account. So go to the website and click free download. Download would start. So I'm gonna go to my second machine, and I'm gonna do the same. Go to download and start. Now let's move to the first machine and see if it's completed. Yes, okay. So the download is completed. You click it, run. Here you have two options where you can run it as it is, or you can install this application in the machine. So what's the difference is that once you install it, the software gets installed like as in any other software, and the elevation options. What is elevation is that if the remote user want to access some specific task which requires administrator permissions, then it can be set as default. You can also set up unattended access with password, so that you can remote into this machine anytime you want without any user interface on the remote side. So to do that, you need to install the application. We're just gonna see how this remote software works. So on the first machine, you get this ID called this disk ID. So this is the ID number which I'm gonna use to connect from that machine to this machine. All right, so let's head over to that machine and install the application again. The same thing, you click it, run. Okay, so this means okay, it's connected. If you see this green tick, it's connected and it's working. All right, so let's copy that ID. So what you do is that in order to connect this, once you install this application, you need to give the person at the other end this number. Once you give this number, you copy it, and from their end they will just put the same number on this part, the remote desk. Once they give it connect, it'll ask to accept. I go there, see it's asking to accept. So yeah, that is it. So we have these two screens open. We're gonna see it from there. See, this is how you connect AnyDesk software between two machines. And what are all the features you get is that we'll go to that machine and see. You allow clipboard usage, which means like text copy. If I just copy this text on this machine, this clipboard would be shared with a secondary user, which means that this user can do the same thing as same clipboard as well. Let me show you. See, it's shared, so it can share the same clipboard, and you can transfer files in it. So to do that, you go to this button over here. This is your local machine and this is the remote device. You can copy files from one machine to another machine. You have a chat option, and you also have permission to control or tell the other machine. You can highlight with a drawing tool over here with a pen. These options, you need to install the software on the other machine. Once you installed, you will be able to do all these things once you install the software. So this is the basic of how you connect AnyDesk software. So if you want to know more, you post it in the comment and let me know. I'll post another detailed video of it. Thank you, and see you again in another video.